Welcome to the episode of Shri Pundari Kaksha Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Today we will discuss about medical microbiology. Medical microbiology involves the identification of microorganisms for the diagnosis of infectious diseases and the assessment of likely response to specific therapeutic interventions. Major categories of organisms include bacteria, mycobacteria, fungi, viruses, and parasites. Microbiological method combined with clinical symptoms, additional laboratory tests, and imaging techniques are used in combination to distinguish a true disease-associated infection from colonization with normal flora or other conditions such as malignancies, inflammatory disorder, or autoimmune disorder, all of which have unique therapies and prognosis of the patient. Laboratories combine the use of traditional microscopy and culture method with a rapidly evolving set of molecular and proteomic techniques. Given the increase in immunocompromised patients due to an increase in transplantation, the human immunodeficiency virus epidemic, and the use of immunosuppressive agents to treat autoimmune disorders, diagnosis of microbial infections continues to be essential for many patients. This is all for now. For more informative videos, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching it.